Hello, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you all my orange fidgets. So let's get started. The first one is an orange monkey noodle, and I'm just realizing I do not have a lot of orange fidgets because, to be honest, I'm not the biggest orange fan. Orange is an okay color, but I have this orange monkey noodle, and then I have these two foam stress balls. This one's a little better than this one. I'm not a fan of these either, because these ones are better than other ones. Some of them are like rock hard, and you're like, oh, you can't get squish them. At least these ones you can get that like squish, but fidgets have been getting more popular, and there have been better ones than these. So these are not my favorite, but I have this orange poppet, which is really good. I love this one. Orange poppet, and then I have this teeny noodle. I love this one as well. Oh, you know what? My green teeny noodle popped. I was so sad. But nope. And I have this ASMR pod. It's also popped. So those are my orange fidgets. So yeah, thanks for watching and bye.